Exam self-valuation, digital valuation. Now I will explain the valuation module, also known as Additional Controller 2. This module is used for all post-examination processes, including digital valuation, faculty assignment, and result processing. External faculty registration. First, we move to external faculty registration. Here we generate a registration link. External faculty who are coming for valuation will open the link, enter their details, complete registration. External registration view. Next, we go to external registration view. Here, all registered faculty will be displayed. We can approve or reject the faculty. Only approved faculty will be available for booklet allotment. Faculty remuneration maintenance. In faculty remuneration maintenance, we define the payment details for external faculty. Booklet allotment. Next, we move to booklet allotment. Here we assign answer booklets based on valuation type. External valuation, scrutiny, revaluation, chief valuation. Correction type. We have two correction types. Normal entire booklet assigned to one faculty. Part-wise booklet divided into parts. Part A one faculty. Part B another faculty. Assigning booklets. Click on Get Data, then enter the number of booklets. Select start date and end date. Assign to faculty. Modify allotment. In Modify Data, we can remove booklets from one faculty. Reassign them to another faculty. Update valuation dates. External faculty login and valuation. External faculty will log in using username and password provided during registration. After login, an OTP will be sent to their email. Once verified, assigned booklets will be displayed. Entering marks. Faculty can open the booklet. Enter marks. If a question is not attempted, they can mark it as NA. Chief Valuation Analysis. In Chief Valuation Analysis, differences between valuations will be displayed. After reviewing, we can assign the booklet to valuation 2 if required. Valuation status. In valuation status, we can track number of booklets completed, number of booklets pending, revaluation models. Next, we configure revaluation models. Model 1. Selected valuation is considered as final. Model 2. Two valuations are compared. Minimum difference is considered. Average marks are calculated. Finalize marks. In finalize marks, we confirm and log the marks. Result processing. Next, we move to result processing. Here the system processes the final results. T-sheet, tabulation sheet. In the T-sheet, we can download the tabulation sheet. Verify all student marks. Result publication. Once result processing is completed, students can view their results through student login or mobile app. This completes the valuation module covering digital valuation, faculty assignment, and result processing. Thank you.